Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be recreating this look, which is super retro, very easy to create. And this is the look that Katrina is wearing in the Slice commercial. So if you guys haven't watched the commercial yet, I'm just going to put a little snippets of it. And this is the look that I created. I definitely missed mangoes as soon as I looked at that commercial. It's one of my favorite fruits. Like if I look at mango, I cannot resist. So if you guys feel the same way as well, then you can pick up a bottle of Slice, have a drink, and join me as I do this tutorial. So that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I definitely had a lot of fun creating this. I think I haven't done a retro look ever, and I think it is such a classic like winged eyeliner, a red lip look. And I was so excited when I found the exact shade of lipstick she was wearing. I'm pretty sure she's wearing this shade from her K collection, and I think it is the exact match from the commercial. Let me know what you guys think. I think I spent the most time just figuring out which lipstick she was wearing, and I had so much fun recreating this. Thank you so much for watching. I've listed everything that I've used in the description box down below, and also don't forget to subscribe as I have so many more videos coming up that you're gonna love. And that's it. Thank you so much. I'll see you very soon. Bye.